Hello everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on this Summit Racing manual fluid extractor pump. It looks like this is 9 liters or a little bit over 9 quarts. It's just a manual pump, and so basically I'm just going to use it here to change the oil on my light tower here with a little 3-cylinder diesel. So I'm going to be doing that in a minute, but as you can see, it comes with like 4 different hoses. The hoses don't look like they're that long, but they say you can daisy chain them according to this instructions here. This is all they gave me here is these instructions here. So that's basically what it looks like. I'm gonna go outside now and try to put it in the dipstick hole and try to pull it out. So here we are outside. This is it right here. Here. It's gonna go everywhere. Alright, so I just shut it down. So basically, like I was saying, it looks like down in here the drain plug is going directly out to this area here, which is going to be a huge problem because I don't want oil splashing everywhere. So I don't have any choice but to try to use this thing here. But I tried to get the oil warmed up because it's like 30 degrees out here, and I believe it is warm. Yeah, it's warm enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and start by putting it down in here, and I think it's gonna be this fitting right here. Alright, so I'm gonna start by putting it in there, but right now I had to connect it. So now see it's connected right here to the hose, and I've got this particular hose selected. I'm going to put it down into the place where the oil goes in for a dipstick. So it is working. 30 degrees out here, just working. Just pumping the oil out. The oil is warm, but it's not hot, so that's good. It looks like it's sucking in air already, so it's hard to see how much oil is actually in it. I mean, I'm trying to make sure it's getting it all out. There's no real way to tell how much oil is in it. If I had to guess, I'd say maybe right here. Alright, so I got in there and moved the oil out, and that was pretty fast. I didn't think it would suck the oil out that quick. I think warming it up probably really helped, but I mean, that was really quick. New oil in. Alright, so I've got my oil in, my cap back on, we'll crank it up. Glow plugs. And then crank it. She's all back in business. Point I finished pumping into this tank, and it looks like It's about probably like right here. I can't see it. They don't have any kind of way of showing you. I'm thinking where my finger is at, that's where it's coming up at when I look through the other direction. So that's about how much I put in there. So I don't know. It'd be nice if they had something on here that gave you the amount of quarts that you have here, but it did the job and it did it very fast. That was probably like the fastest oil change I've ever done. So now I can pour it into one of those if I want to. So we'll do that now. So I just lift it from this angle and pour it. That was about roughly 4 quarts of oil that it removed in a very short period of time. And that was, now I did warm up the oil in the engine, so that helped. But yeah, I mean that got it done really quick. So seems to be pretty good, sturdy construction. So yeah, I really like it. That long pump helps a lot, I think, because like 3 or 4 pumps, I mean, it's moving a lot of oil. So it got it done quick. So I'm glad I got it.